Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021. Euler boosts annual savings for Eco Warrior Coffee Co-op by 20%.
Agriculture and food systems in South Asia show resilience, Global Report.
Caption News on receiving HSBU's German Innovation Awards 2021.
In the list of products imported by Citigroup there are more daily necessities.
Caption News on premium elevator buckets.
Thailand exports $4.7 million worth of rice to Egypt in 2020, Thai Embassy.
Caption News on the biggest and best show in the grain industry.
Impressive business opportunities in the edible oil market, industry trends, global demand, future opportunities for top players.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Space 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Tech is 10 Bull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.